Do you have trouble seeing the line through the moguls? In this video, I'll give you a secret to help you see the line. Hi, Skier Steve here with yet another mogul skiing tip. If you haven't watched the previous videos, check out the link to the playlist. But for those who have already watched the previous videos, let's recap what we've learned so far. We can control our speed by where we slide on the mogul. If we have practiced sliding for a while and are starting to feel more comfortable, we may want to evolve our slide into a bit of a carve. But if we need to slow down again, we can flare in the trough and bend our knees. We need to make sure that we are facing downhill, with a posture leaning slightly forward to attack the hill, so that the weight is off the tails of the skis. Finally, we have learned that we can ski longer mogul runs if we remember to breathe purposefully on each turn. Let's add another tip which has to do with what is called seeing the line. Not all mogul runs are the same. Some good runs have a good regular rhythm, where the bumps are evenly spaced with enough time to react for each bump. Other moguls can be irregularly spaced with deep ruts that are difficult to navigate. Assuming we are talking about a mogul run with regularly spaced moguls, it is useful to try to find the line through the moguls. The line is the path you anticipate taking through the moguls. Often, we are so focused on the next mogul that we don't see the line. The result is that we have a hard time finding rhythm, and it's not as much fun. I find that when this happens, I need to lift my view beyond the next mogul so that I see the next three or more. We might think that we need to really focus on just the next mogul so that we execute well on that mogul. But it turns out that the mind is able to process not only the next mogul, but even a couple more beyond that. As we look further ahead, we will find that we will be able to handle the immediately approaching mogul, and also anticipate those future ones so that our line becomes smooth and fluid. When we are able to do this, we can approach that zen feeling that is so fun when skiing bumps. Honestly, I struggle with looking far enough ahead. But my son-in-law is very good at this. So sometimes I follow him through the bumps so he can show me the line. Following somebody who can see the line may be helpful when you are learning to see it for yourself. So to sum up this short video, to find a good line through the bumps, you may want to lift your gaze so that you are looking at the next several bumps instead of just the next one. If you have some helpful ideas for skiing moguls, let me know in the comments. We still have more helpful tips, so check out the next video. And click subscribe to receive more of my helpful mogul tips.